Okay, last time this phone shut off on accident. I didn't mean it to, but let's make this video. Like I said, I didn't get to finish because the phone turned off, but make sure you like and subscribe to this video because I am going to be starting my own YouTube channel, and if you guys can like and subscribe to both my channel and her channel, then if we get this video to 100 likes and you guys like all the videos on my account that I'm gonna be making tomorrow, I will become I promise you guys, I will become one of the greatest YouTubers that ever lived, probably. I don't know. Anyway, I want to show you this really cool game called Burgle Cats. So, this is Burgle Cats. We're actually sponsored by the Battle Cats, which is a relative to this game. However, we are going to show you Battle Cats right after this, but first I want to show you a game of Burgle Cats. So, let's go. All 3 of God's gems. No way. Is this actually this easy? I did it. Ooh. Right. So, Burgle Cats and Battle Cats are both, Battle Cats is our sponsor, but Burgle Cats and Battle Cats are both free games that you can download on your iPad for free. Make sure you get them because they are the sponsor to today's video. They are really good games. I promise you that. If you like cats and you like battling, or you like burgling and you like cats, then I definitely recommend downloading one of these games. There's also Go Pogo Cat Go, but that game isn't as good as these ones. So have a good day. Take care. And also like and subscribe to this video.